Teeha. I'm an IPSC student from Malaysia, and we are at Legion Tactical Store, and I'm going to show you what they have inside. Let's go. Okay, so now we're in the store, and they have a range of tactical products like shooting targets, eye pros, flashlights, tactical tools, even tactical pens, knives, tactical shoes, as you can see here, and caps as well, and holsters from Ghost Italy, and they also have magazine pouch, and also holsters from SciTech, and roping products from SAR, and you can see. And they also have weapon slings and pouches in different colors, in black and camels, more pouches and bags, and this cute fanny pack in red and in black and also in camel. BRUNOX is a brand of gun cleaning oils from Switzerland, and I use these to clean my guns. So today I'm going to clean my gun with BRUNOX cleaning oils, but first things first, make sure that your gun is safe and clear, and make sure that your magazine is out. Let's go. I have a few gun cleaning products here with me that I want to share with you guys. So this is the BRUNOX Turbo Spray, which is a cleaning formula, and it comes in many forms, like spray cans, wet wipes, and even a 5-liter bulk packs. And this is BRUNOX Lube and Core, which is the lubricant. It also comes in many forms: spray cans, this small bottle, and also 5-liter bulk packs. Here with me I have gun cleaning kits from SciTech, and it includes a cleaning rod, a bronze brush, a nylon brush, and also a cleaning swab. And this is a SciTech compact cleaning kit that you can just fit in your pocket. So I'm going to start with the barrel first. I'm going to do this, shake this a little bit, and then spray it inside. Okay, and then just let it soak for a few minutes. And I'm going to take the bronze brush, and leave it in there just to loosen up the carbon a little bit so it's easier to clean. And just spray it again. Just make sure that's really clean. And then yeah, just repeat the same steps. So next I'm going to use the BRUNOX Lube and Core, which is a lubricant. Make sure to shake it before you use. So I have the slide here with me. I'm just going to put just one tiny drop on the slide rails here, and then another one here, and then just a little bit inside. You can get this stuff from Legion Tactical Products. Make sure to check out their Facebook page and website. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And make sure to